Hey there artists, welcome back to the studio. Today we're going to explore 10 painting hacks that'll bring a happy little boost to your artwork. So grab your brushes, your paints, and let's get started on this artistic adventure together. Before we welcome any colors onto our canvas, let's give them a happy little foundation to stick to. That's where gesso comes in, our trusty friend in the painting world. Imagine gesso as a primer for your canvas. It creates a surface that your paint can really grab onto, preventing it from sinking into the canvas weave. This magical concoction not only helps your colors stay vibrant and true, but also adds a touch of durability to your artwork. So before you let your creativity loose, take a moment to prime your canvas with gesso. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes in the vibrancy and longevity of your masterpiece. Time waits for no artist, especially when inspiration is flowing. We've all been there, eagerly waiting for our paint to dry. But fret no more, my friends, because we have a handy helper, the hairdryer. Yes, you heard right. When you need to speed up the drying process, especially with acrylics or watercolors, a hairdryer comes to the rescue. Just remember to keep the hairdryer at a safe distance and use a low heat setting to avoid any unwanted heat bubbles or cracks in your paint. Circles, those seemingly simple shapes, can sometimes pose a happy little challenge in our artistic endeavors. But don't let them intimidate you. With this simple hack, you'll be creating perfect circles with the confidence of a master artist. Reach for a trusty cup or a lid, any size will do, depending on the circle you envision. Simply place the cup or lid on your canvas, holding it steady with your non-dominant hand. Then, with your brush or pencil, gently trace the outline of the object. And voila, you've created a perfect circle without any stress or fuss. Clean lines and sharp edges can add a touch of sophistication and precision to your artwork. And while a steady hand is always an asset, there's a secret weapon that can help us achieve those crisp edges with ease: masking tape. By strategically applying masking tape to our canvas, we can create boundaries that ensure our paint stays within the lines, resulting in impeccably sharp edges. Once the tape is in place, you can paint freely within the boundaries, knowing that your edges will be razor sharp when you peel off the tape. It's like having an invisible guide helping you create artwork with incredible precision. Our brushes are our loyal companions on this artistic journey, and just like any good friend, they deserve a little TLC. Cleaning our brushes thoroughly after each painting session is essential to keep them in tip-top shape and prevent paint from hardening and ruining the bristles. But fear not, my friends, for we have a simple yet effective solution to make brush cleaning a breeze: dish soap. Add a few drops of gentle dish soap to a container of lukewarm water and swish your brushes gently in the soapy mixture. Rinse the brushes thoroughly under running water until the water runs clear, and you'll have happy, clean brushes ready for their next creative adventure. Who says paintings have to be smooth and flat? Let's add a touch of whimsy and dimension to our artwork with a surprising ingredient: baking soda. When mixed with acrylic paint, it creates a stunning textured effect that adds depth and character to our paintings. Simply add a small amount of baking soda to your acrylic paint and mix it thoroughly. You can experiment with different ratios of baking soda to paint to achieve different levels of texture. It's like adding a touch of magic powder to your paint, transforming it into a medium capable of capturing the beauty of texture. Being resourceful is part of being an artist, and finding creative solutions is all part of the fun. Let's talk about palettes, those trusty surfaces where we mix and blend our colors. While fancy palettes are readily available, there's a budget-friendly alternative that's just as effective: plastic sheets or baking trays. Simply wash and dry the plastic sheet or baking tray thoroughly and voila! You have a clean and spacious surface to unleash your color mixing skills. So, ditch the expensive palettes and embrace the joy of recycling. Let's unleash our inner Jackson Pollock and add a touch of abstract expressionism to our paintings with a surprising tool: a toothbrush. Dip an old toothbrush into your desired paint color, making sure the bristles are loaded with paint. Then, hold the toothbrush over your canvas and run your finger across the bristles, flicking the paint onto the canvas in a controlled splatter. You can experiment with different paint consistencies, brush angles, and flicking motions to create a variety of splatter effects. It's like having a mini fireworks display right on your canvas. Let's dive into the world of abstract art and explore the unpredictable beauty of plastic wrap. While our paint is still wet, Carefully lay a sheet of plastic wrap over the canvas, gently pressing it down in some areas to create wrinkles and folds. Once the paint is partially dry, carefully peel off the plastic wrap to reveal the magic beneath. The areas where the plastic wrap was pressed down will have a lighter, more textured appearance, while the areas that were not touched will retain their original color and smoothness. It's like a happy accident waiting to happen, revealing the beauty of unpredictability in art. Painting on a dark background can be a bit like navigating through a moonlit forest, a bit mysterious and challenging. But fear not, my fellow artists, for we have a simple solution that will illuminate our path: a white pencil. Simply sketch your design lightly on the dark background with the white pencil, using gentle strokes to avoid scratching the surface. The white lines will provide a subtle roadmap for your painting, ensuring that your composition is well defined and easy to follow. It's like having a beam of moonlight guiding your brush strokes, revealing the hidden beauty within the shadows. And there you have it. 10 happy little painting hacks to add a sprinkle of joy and creativity to your next masterpiece. Remember, art is about exploration and self-expression, so don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and embrace those happy accidents. From my studio to yours, happy painting, and I'll see you in our next creative adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art tips. See you in the next video.